If your Eufy doorbell keeps ringing on its own, here are some fixes that real users have shared. Try them in order, starting from the easiest. First, do a basic reboot and resync. Unplug your home base and indoor chime if you use one for about a minute, then plug them back in. Next, remove the doorbell from your app and re-add it. For some users, that stopped the phantom rings for weeks. If you're using a wired model, check the power source. Look at the transformer and make sure it's giving enough voltage and power. Some users fix the issue by upgrading from a 16-volt to a 24-volt transformer. Also, inspect the wiring connections. Location can matter too. If direct sunlight seems to trigger it, try adding shade or adjusting the angle with a wedge mount. For wireless chimes, try a different outlet. Another tip is to clean the doorbell button. Use a soft, dry cloth to clear away any dirt, dust, or moisture. And finally, as a last resort, you can disable the mechanical chime in the Eufy app. The doorbell and home base will still ring, but the loud internal chime will stay silent. These are the most effective solutions shared by users, so give them a try and see which one works best for you.